Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and a very warm welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Innisfree Real Squeeze Sheet Masks. If you are new to Korean skincare and have never tried sheet masks before, I hope this video will be useful for you. With the rising popularity of Korean skincare, sheet masks have become increasingly popular. Innisfree is one of the Korean skincare brands that I have tried out. It definitely is very well-known brand. They have a huge variety of masks to offer. Their sheet masks are saturated with serum. Each sheet mask is designed to deliver a lot of hydration to your skin. Over and above which, they also come with benefits targeting particular skincare concerns like dullness, tiredness, wrinkles, or roughness. This range of Innisfree sheet masks is called my Real Squeeze. And this is the one that focuses on natural ingredients. The ingredients are extracted using the cold brew squeeze method, which keeps the freshness of the ingredients intact. Also, these sheet masks are made of naturally derived cellulose. Out of their entire range, I truly like the tomato sheet mask and the cucumber sheet mask. Generally, I use the tomato one at night before going off to sleep, when my skin is feeling really tired after a long day. This mask is enriched with the abundant nourishment from well-ripened tomatoes, which leaves my skin feeling fresh, clear and vibrant. I use the cucumber one about half an hour before applying makeup, as it is enriched with the fresh moisture from fragrant cucumbers and it replenishes moisture on the dry patches of my facial skin. After this routine, my makeup glides on my skin beautifully and looks flawless. These are single-use sheet masks. Just open the packet and place it onto your face such that the cutouts of the eyes, nose and lips are aligned correctly. These sheet masks are a great way to instantly hydrate your skin, instantly brighten your skin and nourish it too. After about 15 to 20 minutes, just discard the sheet mask and massage the excess serum into your skin and it's done. These sheet masks are made in Korea. They have a shelf life of 2 years and they retail for ₹100. I'm going to put the links for this sheet mask in the description box. In case you wish to buy, do check out the description box below. That's all for today's video. I hope you have found it helpful, and if you did, then surely give it a like. Do let me know in the comments below which is your favorite sheet mask. You can share this video as much as you wish, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Take good care of yourself. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.